Dewdrop dripping from a cherry tree, butterfly talking to a honeybee, hummingbird humming that bird won't fly. He goes out on a limb in the shade and cries, cries, cries. Some wings kiss the sky, some go there in stages, some lose their will to fly, some free birds have cages. Woodpecker pecking on a hollow tree says that cat won't listen to me. Underneath the flicker of a lightning bug, he just sits around mourning for his turtle dove, his one true love, his only love. Some wings kiss the sky, some go there in stages, some lose their will to fly, some free birds have cages. He used to love the sound of that whippoorwill, but it haunts him now and it always will. It reminds him how they used to sing along, but she flew away and now the music's gone, gone. Now she's gone. Some wings kiss the sky, some go there in stages, some lose their will to fly, some free birds have cages, some lose their will to fly, some free birds have cages.